ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Good evening, sir. I, along with my partner Rijal Mahar, are here to present our or demonstrate our project vehicle tracking system. So, as the name already suggests, this system is designed to track the position of a vehicle at any period. We have used GPS and GSM technology, which is remotely monitored by a GSM phone. It comprises of a GPS receiver, microcontroller, and a GSM module. So combination of these technology, it is producing our tracking system. So basically, GPS will continuously take input data from satellite and store latitude and longitude value in our microcontroller buffer. So let's move to further slides.
So this is our timeline. This is all about how we went on to make our project. So coming to the objective, we wanted to develop an automatic vehicle location system using GPS for positioning information and transmit that same information using a GSM or a GPRS module. So we intended to provide a solution to avoid cars stolen at a lower cost than advanced security systems because they generally tend to be very expensive.
So, coming towards why we chose this topic or what is the significance of our project. So, in today's technology, we are having lots of option for tracking location of our dear ones when they are out. But what if their phone runs out of battery or their phone gets switched off? If their phone gets stolen or they met any accident at that point of time, if they are inside their vehicle, our project becomes very important. We will be installing our device, that is our project, in that vehicle somewhere outside the body, and then we have mentioned, or we will be registering the number to which we want to send the location in our code that we will be demonstrating soon. So using that number and Google API keys, which will be fetching data, that is our latitude and longitude, and will be sending the link of Google Maps to the person's registered mobile number. Rachel, can we please move towards the demonstration part?
Yeah, sure. So this is our circuit that we have simulated using Proteus. So we have used a GPS module to receive the data or and then transmit that same data. We have used GSM module. So we have used one microcontroller as a basic input output, and I have already entered the Arduino code to the microcontroller. And to display what the message will say, I have used a virtual terminal. So let's just run our simulation.
So basically, the system is used for positioning and navigating the vehicle. An exact location is indicated in the form of latitude and longitude, along with the exact navigated track on Google Maps. So the system tracks the location of particular vehicle and send it to user's mobile phone in the form of data and microcontrollers. So the arrived data will be in the form of latitude and longitude, and then we will be tracking the location. Now this vehicle tracking system, it is taking input from GPS, sending it to GSM using GSM module to desired mobile or laptop using mobile communication facility, and the security system, it is using global positioning system, that is GPS, to find the location.
So as you can see, the exact message will be sent to the user's phone number that is displaying, and the message is being repeated because since the vehicle will be on the move, after a particular delay, the message will be sent again and again to the same mobile number in order to track that location. And so since we are sitting at home, that's why the location is same. But if we were on the move, then the location would be changing by the second. So hence we have successfully simulated our project.
Actually, sir, I have registered my number over here and I am tracking Rachel's location. So, Rachel, can you please stop presenting?
Yeah, sure.
So basically, like we are, in order to save time, I have directly opened the link. Actually, we have attached the screenshots in our presentation also. Like as Rijal was sending me the location continuously, it was coming on my mobile phone number and on my laptop as well. So I have used Google API key. We have mentioned the API key in our presentation, and using that Google API key, there are a lot of API keys that we have used, which is helping us to fetch the data and then track the location. Like I got the location of Rijal Mahajan, and then I added my location, and I'm able to track his location. If he will be moving, I will be getting update of his location continuously. Rizal, can we move towards the presentation back?
Yeah, sure. So, uh, moving on. So the methodology, the proposed system is used for positioning and
Rizal, let's move to block diagram.
oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So these were the
Uh,
components used. We have used microcontroller, Arduino compiler, GPS module, Proteus simulator, GSM modem, and GSM module. So this is our block diagram. So as you can see, we have taken the input from GPS and entered it to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller will be displaying it to the LCD screen. Then it will be sending the data to the GSM module, and it will be transmitting that data, as we have already explained. So
so
this was
this is the screenshot of our circuit simulation. Let's move to the screenshot of. So basically, sir, here you can see we have used API key. So we have kept this API key private for now, but it could be done public also. But in order to authorize it, we have kept it private. So you can see I was easily able to track a Rijal's location sitting from here only. Similarly, we can track location of any of our dear ones. So basically, we have in like we were using his car for tracking this location. And this is the screenshot of the mobile phone. So talking about the working, Rachel, can you please explain it?
yeah. So the project is about vehicle positioning and navigation system. We can locate the vehicle around the globe with an 8052 microcontroller, GPS receiver, GSM modem, and a power supply. So the microcontroller will send the data received by the GPS to our GSM, as you have already explained, and it will transmit the data, and the GSM will transmit the same data to the mobile number that has been registered, and we will receive the message, and through that message we can track our dear ones or any car that is stolen or by that. Moving on.
Lastly comes the application part. So sir, application, it involves that system can be used by individual to locate or track their vehicles, like their own vehicles, or if you want to track delivery of any truck, or like in case of weather forecasting, like in harsh weathers when your mobile phones are not working. And you can even it is a cure all solution for problems like women's safety, theft, and other issues. And system can be easily installed in any vehicle such as car, boats, and motorbikes. So it is having lots of application in today's world, like and it is providing safety. So by this, we are done with our presentation, and we are open to any questions. If you have, please let us know, sir. Thank you so much.